Hello friends and welcome back to my studio. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have been working with this new color combo, or at least new for me, that I am absolutely in love with. And here I have a big 30 by 40 inch canvas. As you can see, I've used it before, wasn't in love with how this turned out, so I decided to just paint over it. I've sanded it very lightly, and that's all I've done, and cleaned it really well, and that's all I've done to prep the surface. I've also sprayed the back of this really heavily again so that it's nice and tight. It's been a few weeks at least since I poured this. So as that happens, the weave of the canvas can loosen up just slightly. It's something you won't see visually, but you can feel it. And especially with this big of a canvas that I'm going to be putting a lot of paint on, I want my canvas nice and tight again. So make sure you do that. And yeah, so this is actually going to be for me. I had this space above my TV where I had this black and white canvas that was just a cheap Target sort of buy, something for the moment. And I've really been wanting to make something to put up there, so this is what I'm hoping for. So that one was pure black and white. I decided I wanted something just a little warmer for the space. So I think the minimalist color combo that I have picked out today is just going to be perfect for this. So with that being said, I'll show you the colors and then we'll get on to painting. Here are the colors today. This is drips saved from other paintings. I added a little black to deepen it up, and it's a gorgeous kind of shimmery black. It'll dry gorgeous. And then I have Liquitex black, Liquitex titanium white, Liquitex burnt umber, gorgeous warm color, and then iridescent gold. Okay, so I have a nice big cup here. This is a 24-ounce cup, and I'm probably going to fill it all the way, but you'll notice I'm using a little thicker layers than I normally do when I'm doing this, because I want nice crisp lines and I want to make sure that my paints don't get muddy in between. That's also why I left my paints a little on the thicker side. You can see it leaves a nice mound on a mound. Take it off the edge here. So that's kind of my plan right now. I like to start up high. Some really interesting effects from that. And slowly bring it in. Yeah, this is pouring out really, really nicely. to take it off this end first and anchor it a little bit. Bring the whole thing down a little bit too.
Oh, the lilac snow drifting down so soft and slow outside my window. I watch it go. Oh, the lilac snow. And though the world may seem so still, it's coming in the distance.
So I was planning on bringing this off the top, but I'm really in love with what's going on here, so I think I'm just going to keep it. I don't really love this though, so I want to just take that off the end. And what I'm going to do to help me along with that is I'm going to put just a little more of my base coat here, and that'll give it more sliding power.
Like snow whispers softly on the wind as memories come flowing in.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to take that all the way off the end.
Once the candles on the tree glow, softly lighting up the lilac snow. Then the quiet of the winter night was filled with wonder and pure delight. Oh, the lilac snow tells secrets of long ago, of carols sung, of gifts we've known. Oh, the lilac snow whispers softly on the wind as memories come flowing in. As the lilac snow falls alone.
I think I want a little more of this off.
Coffee in a paper cup, how the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio, on gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around.
Okay. That is it. That's what I really wanted here. Now, because I poured this later, there is a little bit of a weird shadow here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I'm going to let that sit until I pour this side.
So patiently we watch from our proud little tree. We hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near. The leaves would fall like paper tears.
what I'm doing here is I'm adding a little bit of paint at the bottom of the canvas because I want to encourage the top pour to come down a little bit. Now this might seem counterintuitive and you'd think that you'd want to put it below in the middle of the two pours. But what would happen if I did that is it would cause that bottom pour to droop. And that wasn't really what I wanted. I just wanted to slide the whole thing a little bit. I liked that wonkiness that was going on in that top pour, the first pour that I did. So I wanted to encourage more of that. And I think it worked out really well. Here's the wet results, and I am so happy with this. I hope it dries nicely because this is gorgeous. I love how I got this a little wonky. That gold next to the burnt umber is going to dry gorgeously. I love how simple yet striking this is. Look at that. Okay, stick around for the dry results. Here she is, all dry. I'm really happy with how this came out. Look at that. So many pretty little details. I'm really happy with this. I can't wait to hang it up. Love that area right there. And those little wispies. Yeah, I think a coat of satin varnish and this is ready to go.